Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tarot with Aisha. This is going to be my first YouTube video, so first of all thank you everyone to take out time to watch this video. Before we begin, a quick introduction about myself. I am Aisha, your tarot reader from Mumbai and also a spiritual healer. I am here on YouTube to be your guide, to be your friend and to give you solutions on various aspects of life. All the readings are going to be collective readings, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For any kind of personalized readings, you can reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook page. Links to these pages are mentioned in the description box below. In the upcoming week, I see that there is going to be certain high and low energies in the week. Also, there is going to be ups and downs in your life and your emotional state, and also there might be some low energies that you might go through. In the week हो सकता है कि आप एफर्ट्स डालना चाह रहे हो, आपने सब कुछ प्लान किया है एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीक एंड यू स्टार्ट एनर्जेटिकली, बट जैसे द वीक विल पास बाय मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द वीक आई सी दैट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ अस वुड बी फीलिंग लो इन एनर्जी. हो सकता है दिस माइट बी ड्यू टू दी कोविड सिचुएशन गोइंग इन एंड अराउंड अस, सो एनर्जी लो होना ऑब्वियस है इन सच सिचुएशंस. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो आवर प्राइम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि हम लोग खुद का सेल्फ केयर, वी आर कीपिंग इट एज अ प्रायोरिटी. आवर हेल्थ इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. वी हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज इट एंड पे अटेंशन टू इट. एट द सेम टाइम आई सी दैट जितना भी एनर्जीज वी आर पुटिंग इन, उसका एक्सपेक्टेड आउटकम वी वोंट बी एबल टू अचीव. सच सिचुएशन माइट कम इन द अपकमिंग वीक. हो सकता है अगर कोई प्लान्स कर रहे हो रिलेटेड टू ट्रैवल, सो दैट माइट ऑल्सो बी इम्पैक्टेड. Or if you have already planned, so that might get cancelled or that might impact to certain extent. Also in the upcoming week I see that emotionally you are going to feel low, so this emotions could impact your mood and might impact the environment you are in. So pay attention to it. You need to control your emotions. Do not let your emotions impact yourself and impact your health. And also pay attention that you do not speak out anything such words, harsh words, so that someone else is affected due to it. अपकमिंग वीक में मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आप जितना भी एफर्ट्स डालोगे उसका आउटकम तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा, बट एट सर्टन पॉइंट यू माइट ऑल्सो फील दैट यू आर ड्रैगिंग योर सेल्फ टू complete this entire week. Like you are dragging yourself to work, you are dragging yourself to do daily course, so you are dragging yourself to your studies. So this might also be the case in the upcoming week, because I see there is going to be immense dip in the energy level for most of us. Moving on to love relationship aspect, I see that there is also going to be some challenges. I won't term it as challenges, but you need to pay attention to your words, because this might lead something too critical and will worsen the situation. So pay attention to your words. It is not only restricted to the love relationship but also to the relations that you share, be it any relation. Pay attention to your words, what words you are using, as this might help you avoid any kind of further challenges in your relations. Considering career aspect, I see that there might be certain additional responsibilities coming up to you which you might readily accept it, but if there is anything due or anything that needs to be completed in the upcoming week itself, I see that that part might get impacted due to dip in your emotional and energy levels. So pay attention to it, plan things accordingly, and just do not drag yourself for the week. If required, take some time out, take rest, then get back to whatever work you are doing, not only your work life but to every aspect of your life. This will help you to stay healthy and will also keep the environment and your mood light. So that's all for this week. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the reading, and also let me know in the comment section what all topics would you like to see in the upcoming weeks. Do not forget to like and share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I post any new videos. Until next time, stay indoors, stay safe.